Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So tonight we're gonna cook a little simple, but just because it's simple doesn't mean it's delicious. Today we are making Chipotle popcorn chicken. Let's get started. First of all, get yourself a big bowl, crack a couple cackleberries in it. Cackleberries. Now I'm doubling the recipe, so all the amounts for a normal serving is down in the bottom. Add to the cackleberries a couple cups of buttermilk. Always a good ingredient for fried chicken. To that, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. That just happened. When you next see me, I'll be in a different shirt. And about, it depends on what you want. Anywhere between a quarter to 3/4 of a cup of Chipotles. We're going with about a half a cup here. Oh, that delicious smoky aroma. All right, now mix it all up. You might want to put an apron on first. All right, there you go. Next, we're going to take our chicken and cut it into 1-inch cubes. You can use chicken thighs, you can use chicken breasts, as long as they're boneless, because we're going to cut them into cubes. If you leave them partially frozen, they're going to be easier to cut in those cubes. I prefer the thighs. I love the flavor of dark meat. Unfortunately, here at the Galley of the Sun, we are out of thighs, and I didn't realize that. So we're going to do chicken breasts today. Yeah, if it's good and frozen still, easy to do in the cubes. We want them to be bite-sized, not crazy big, not crazy small. We want to get them as close as possible to the same size. Get them cut, chuck them in the batter. And after a quick cleaning of the cutting board, we're back in business. Now we're going, oh my God, that's cold. We're going to get these moved around and make sure everything's getting covered with the marinade. Should have put gloves on, should have used a spoon, should have done anything except what I'm doing right now. Oh, Greg doesn't like his hands to get sticky. I hate to get my hands cold. And I'm telling you, they're cold. They're real cold. I could possibly sprain a nipple right now, they're so cold. Okay, this is the dumbest idea ever. I'm gonna stop. Oh, every muscle in my body is tight after that. We're gonna take a bourbon break. Today, I'm drinking Evan Williams Peach. It is about half to a third of the price of Crown Royal Peach, and I like the taste better. Okay, before we get any further here, we're gonna give a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper in there. Then we're gonna get a spoon and make sure all these get covered evenly. Now, normally if they weren't so frozen, you would chuck this in the refrigerator and leave it there for anywhere between 1 to 4 hours. Don't want to go overnight with it, but you know, a little bit. Since these are frozen, I'm going to leave this on the countertop for at least the first hour. Then I'm going to take a look at it and see if it's ready to go to the fridge. I'm telling you, I'm not worried about these getting too warm at all. All right, that's all we got to do for now. We'll see you in a couple hours. Alrighty, so the chicken's been sitting in the marinade for a couple hours. Fryer's ready. Let's get things going. What I have here is a shallow dish filled with panko. We're going to get probably about 8 of our nuggets in here. 2, 4, 6, and 8. And we're going to get those all covered with those breadcrumbs. We're going to use both of our hands, so it makes it very difficult for us to transfer these to the fryer. So we're going to wash our paws in between. We're going to put those in the fryer for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, first batch is done, second batch is in the fryer, third batch is sitting here waiting to go in. But let's give this a try. Before I do that, if you're liking what you're seeing, then hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, never miss an episode. What's your favorite Mexican dish? Put it down in the comments. We'll probably make it, or we probably already have. Alright, let's give this a try. Try not to melt our faces. It is extremely crunchy, good flavor. You'll definitely want to try this. Chipotle popcorn chicken. Hey, hope you enjoyed what you saw today. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.